You gotta watch what I'm doing. I'll wait for you up here. Alright, you want to try to go at it straight on. Turn your wheel to the left a little bit and go real slow. It'll climb out. Alright, keep going slow. Alright, to the left a little bit. There you go. Alright. Whoa.
That's what I do, son. I crawl circles around mother.
Now, when you come down, go at it at an angle a little bit. Back up a little bit and try to hit it at a little bit of an angle. There you go. You should be able to climb right up it, no problem. These damn pine sheds over.
She bottomed out.
You can do it. Turn your wheel to the right and back up a little bit. There you go. There you go. You just gotta bump it a little bit going over the top. There you go. Now to turn around. Now this is way harder than it looks. You wait till you try it.
My bad, Mark.
Oh, you're right.
Climbing.
I didn't even see how you did that. Careful. You got it.
Straight ahead, son.
It's hard.
It keeps getting stuck right there. No, that fucker. How many times is this? Like 20?
Probably. There you go.
Alright, bitch.
You're on a good line. You're on a good line. There you go. There you go. Slow. There you go. Real slow. Turn to the right. There you go. Be careful. You're barely on it. Go slow. Turn.
Woo!
Got it. Alright. Well, let me get up out of your way. And I slip off of this real easy. Fuck. Oh. Nope, hanging on. Uh-oh. Whoa. Uh-oh, this ain't good. This ain't good.
What? Why'd you fall right there?
There you go.
Watch the level of precision. Ah.
Pile them up better. There you go. Nope. Yeah, slow, go slow. This is the real hard part. Uh-huh, you're going to fall.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Right when you try to go around that corner.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, you held on to it.
Huh? We gotta go back across this motherfucker again?
No, we ain't been across that yet. Another damn 2x4. These are hard for me to cross. Whoa. Uh-oh.
See, it makes it nice with them fucking that crab wall.
Uh-huh. Uh-oh. So I try to recover.
That was a big fall.
Yeah, you might want to stand over here next to it.
It's getting over that hump.
There you go, you got her now. Alright, yep. Can you pull up like on my front tire. Alright, that's cool right there.